So common question, we're filling a pool. All right, so two people are filling a pool. Who paid more to fill their pool? We need a volume of each pool. So basically I'm going to make two columns here. I'm going to make Teresa over here, and then I'm going to make, what's the other person's name? Nancy. Two nice suburban women that are going to fill their pool up, I guess. If I look through there, it says, the pool is 30 foot wide, 15 foot, 4 feet deep. Circular pool with a diameter of 24 feet and a depth of 4. It doesn't say this. This was one of the ones that didn't say it. They've asked this question quite often. That's a cylinder. That's a prism. Okay, that says rectangular pool, circular pool. Again, if I don't know what a pool is, all right. And then this is the evil thing they threw in here. And the first time I did this is I didn't notice this till the end. I had to restart. All right. They both fill their pool 6 inches from the top, so they don't fill it all the way to the top. All right. So Teresa is volume equals area of the base times the height. Nancy is volume equals pi r squared h. All right. So area of the base for Teresa is 30 by 15. Now, I'm going to stop for a second. All right. I see feet, feet, feet. Let's see. Feet, inches. I don't like that. And then I see feet. So it looks like everything has to be in feet. All right. Well, that's a half of a foot. All right. Or 0.5 feet. 0.5 feet. All right. So I'm going to have to figure that in a minute. All right. The minute is right here. How deep do I fill this pool? I do not fill it to 4 feet deep. I fill it to 3.5. Okay. So I'm going to take that, put it in my calculator. So 30 times 15 times 3.5 gives me 1575. 1575. Okay, so that's how many feet to the third. That's the volume. All right, let's do Nancy's. Pi times 12 squared. Her diameter was 24, and I believe hers was 4 feet deep too. 4 feet deep, so 3.5. So then that's going to give me pi times 12 squared times 3.5. All right, so 1583.36, blah, blah, blah. 1583.36, da, da, da. Slightly more water in Nancy's pool. Okay, so then it says we're paying $395 per 100 gallons of water. This is not in cubic feet, and this is gallons also. But right here it says this. All right, so all I have to do now is do some multiplying. All right, do some multiplying. So if I get this multiplying done, I'm going to get a little bit more credit. 7.48. They both need to get multiplied by 7.48. Tell me how many gallons there are. All right, so I'm just going to grab these things. Times 7.48. 11,781. 11,781. Maybe I write gallons. All right, and then that times 7.48. 11,843.55. 843.55 gallons. Whoops. All right. So now they of course give me money in weird ways. They say $395 per 100 gallons of water for Teresa. There's a bunch of ways to do this. I'm going to divide this by 100, and then I'm going to multiply that by $395. I'm going to do that all in one mode in the calculator. All right. So I'm taking my calculator. I'm taking this number, dividing it by 100, and then multiplying it by 3.95. All right, and I get 465.35. 465.35. How much she pays. All right, and then old Nancy here. 200 per 6,000 gallons. So I'm going to divide this by 6,000 and then multiply that by 200. And that's going to give me a grand total for my second nice suburban woman, probably from Pittsburgh, divided by 6,000 times 200. 394.79. 394.79. All right, who pays less? This nice lady right here named Nancy. Make sure you write down Nancy pays less. All right, just to be sure whoever's looking at it knows that that $394 is less than $465.